What can you say about what is climate change?
For me, climate change is the rapid change of climate in a very short period of time. Like what happens when there's rain and it's summer season.
I think, in my opinion, the main cause of climate change are the human activities, such that the forest is converted to land and agriculture to build our needs, necessity in life. Then the cars production of carbon emitted, and the trucks that transport cargoes to our land 24/7.
Siguro yung nararanasan na natin ngayon. Kasi 'di ba supposedly December na, so dapat malamig na. Pero ngayon is nananatiling mainit yung pakiramdam natin, lalo na sa umaga. So siguro ayun na yun. Ito na yung start ng era na talagang mararamdaman natin yung climate change. So para sa akin, yung climate change yung hinaharap na natin ngayon.
Thank you.
Despite existing mitigation laws and policies, the greenhouse gases has increased over the last decades.
This is caused by the combustion of fossil fuels in the energy and industry sectors.
We think that population growth plays a big role that triggers climate change.
During 70s, most of the greenhouse gas emissions came out from the industrialized countries, but today, most emissions are from high-income countries.
Examples are countries that produces intensive products.
Glaciers are melting, global temperature is rising, biodiversity is at risk, and sea level is rising.
It is undeniable that we are aware of this situation. However, it seems that we are undisturbed by the fact that the effects of climate change is getting worse.
We should unplug, switch off lights and appliances after using it. In buying food, we should consider how was it produced, where did it come from, and how did it get there. We can plant gardens, buy locals, and we must eat our leftovers, reducing what we don't consume.
It may be impossible now to prevent this because it is already happening. But we can do is mitigate it. So, are you in for the challenge?
Mitigate climate change.
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 Mitigate climate change. Mitigate climate change.
Mitigate climate change.
Mitigate climate change.
Mitigate climate change.
Just imagine if every one of us is joining the path towards the betterment of our environment. You can make a change. If not us, who? And if not now, when?